Okay, first you have to download the Metasploitable virtual machine. Would be a good idea. We will start at sourceforge.net and just download Metasploitable 2, which would be our machine for, well, basically every attack and every test we would like to do for the next time. So just click there and the machine will download. So next we have to import our just downloaded virtual machine into the VMware workstation player, just like this, and we can then change the settings if we like to. For example, we can increase the amount of memory, just increase it to 1 GB RAM, and there we go. Our virtual machine will start and we can log into the virtual machine with a username of msfadmin and the password of msfadmin. And it takes a little time and the machine will start up. And for this machine we will use for all our exercises and for practice. But just to be sure you know this, that in normal ways we would attack a machine which actually goes for the internet or actually is located in the internet or somewhere else.